Hello fashion lovers and welcome back to Fashion Den Stylista Moda. In today's video we'll be learning op art, that means the optical art. Optical art is an art which includes 3D images, which includes hidden images, which includes the line art, which includes the movement images or the illusions. Optical illusions is generally be created in the op art. So let's start. To start with, the first opart that we are creating is here I have created the square and I am taking the points on 10 degree each from the help of projector protector, and now I am just creating the lines, and secondly we'll do the same process on the opposite side of the square 10 degrees each, and then again we'll join it to the corner as you can see in the video thus. And now what we'll do, we'll color it. Generally opart is been colored either in black and white or with the contrast color. We'll color it in black and white. We have to create the design of checkers. One block we have to color and one block we have to leave white. Irrespective of the size of the block, we have to color one and we have to leave one, like see how I'm doing here. So when you will complete this, it will create the impact of 3D kind of the impact like this. See, some blocks are big, some blocks are small, and if you will increase the degrees, like I have taken the 10 degrees, if you will increase if you will make the 15 degrees each side each time, so you will get the bigger block, or you will decrease the degree, so you will get the smaller block. Symmetry is the main you can say main thing in opart. You have to take the symmetry and you need to be very careful about the measurement. As I said, I am taking 10 degree, so it will create the impact only if you will take the equal lines all the times. See, this is about completed, and this finally. Now you can see the impact. This you can see the 3D kind of impact. Just will complete this with the outline of the block, and this is done. Now we'll create one more design. Start with the same 10 degrees each time, create the same lines joining the corner from where we have taken the center, but this time we'll change the side. Now I'll do the opposite side of this instead of upper one, 10 degree each, and then do the same process from the second corner. Like this. You can see the design is being totally changed, isn't it? And we'll do the same process. We have to create the design of checkers. Here I'll be using the contrast colors. Here I'll be using two colors just to show you the impact, how it looks like. Contrast color, that means the complementary colors which we have learnt in the previous color scheme video. Soon we'll be coming up with the other color scheme videos, and I'm working on that, and we are bound to, and I am bound to actually, and I am committed to uh, complete the 12 color schemes, all 12 color schemes that are very compulsory and very important in fashion designing. When you, whether you sketch, whether you print, create the print, whether you design or something, so these color schemes and these print patterns generally do work for you, and these are the very important elements of fashion designing. most of us generally do ignore this because we do think कि fashion sketching is the main part of the fashion designing. Fashion sketching is actually main part. This is the way you can express your ideas in fashion designing, but the knowledge of colors, the basic design ideas, the print patterns and everything is very important. Then only you will be able to create new designs and new ideas. See, this is about to be completed, one color. See, it's looking really nice. And now we'll do with the second color. Here I am using the olive green or the yellowish green color with the purple. It has been completed. See, now again we have created the same design, and I am just drawing a paisley to complete this. Now we'll create the same impact in a pattern. Any pattern you can create. Here I am creating the paisley, and I will color only the area which is covered by the paisley. See, have you subscribed the channel? If not, you are requested quickly to subscribe the channel and like the video. You are finding it interesting? Press the bell icon to get the videos before anyone. See, this is the complete design of paisley you can see. And now I am making another design. Here I have created a outline of a vase kind of a structure, and I am covering this with the lines. You can see the entire structure I will be covered with the lines. Here I am using the dark green color, or generally as I said, op art are created with the dark colors, but with the black and white is the best to create with, or the contrast, opposite colors, complementary colors. See, this is been completed. You can see the image. This is a flower vase type of a image, and now I'll just outline the block also. This has been completed exactly. And now this is a hidden image example. I'll create the I'll create something and you will find the hidden image. This is optical illusion. Right now your focus is on the line area where the lines are there. I have given you the hint. Now I'm making a something, and you will start looking the area which was not highlighted. See, now you can see two faces which were not highlighted at that time. You will hide the eyes. I'll just show you. I'll just hide the eyes, and you will be able to your focus will be come on the flower vase middle area, but as I'll open it, your focus will be on the white area. So this is one example of hidden image of art, right? So this is one. Let's see the next one. Next is line art. For line art, what I am doing, I have taken the center of all four line about just this is like I have taken idea that this is the center, I am taking a wavy line for this, just a freehand line, and I have created a kite kind of a structure, and I will cover the all rest part which is with the parallel lines. See, all parallel lines we need to be created this carefully, or you can even create roughly with the same distance. Try to keep the shape same. this second portion, this exactly this, and this portion. You can see that one portion has been created. This is line art, and it will give the depth to the design. And I am highlighting the last line, which is the boundary. Again we'll create by taking the center of this with a thick line and thin lines inside this. This will give you then impact that it is a inner portion which has been covered with the outer, and it will provide all the times when I'll create a new structure inside, it will provide the depth to the design. You can feel the layers, while these are not the layers, but see, you can feel that it has been layered at some places. See, this is the design. So we'll just give the outline to the square to finish the design. This is next is we'll create a square and find the center of it by using the diagonal lines, and we'll create the wavy lines out of that. You can see the impact I am creating. I am trying my level best to keep the waves on the same side. It will give you the impact of layers. And now what I'll do, I'll create a web like structure by using a one side wave, this and this. And now I'll create the opposite side wave in the second side and fill the area which is white on in the another portion. See, checker design, because this is the main you can say the main factor of apart illusions. This, and now third, opposite. All the times we have to take the opposite wave and opposite colors. This one and this one. Again will be giving this impact. If you still not have subscribed the channel, you subscribe the channel and like the video. Share this video with your friends who they have the same interest of designing or something, or the art and craft, so they will be benefited out of this. And how you are feeling about this video, please let me know by comment box. This, so I have created 3 blocks at once, and we will be creating the, we'll just color it, and now you can start filling the waves inside the design. See, this has been completed, and just give the outline. If you will give the outline, you can feel the waves. And the next design is a spiral triangle. Here I have to create a triangle. I'll be taking a line of 12 centimeters, or you may take as per your own wish. Here I am taking 12 centimeter line, and with the help of a compass, I'll open the compass equal to the length of the line, that means 12 centimeter I have to open it, this, and I will create an arch from each point, from both points of the line. This is line segment, and this point I'll be taking an arch a simple arch, and from this side also I'll intersect this arch with the same design, opening the compass on the same width, and this will give you an triangle whose all three sides are equal, because this is what I require to make a spiral triangle. Line 1, line 2, and line 3. The triangle is been created. This. Now what I'll do, from the top I'll mark a point of 1 centimeter. From top 1 centimeter downwards, carefully, because symmetry is main thing in these designs. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter on the one side, that is this, and 1 centimeter is down to up on the third side. Have you noticed? One at the front top, one at the left side, and one from bottom to up. And I will join all these three dots which I have created right now. Join 1 centimeter one to this dot to this, and then this. You will create a new triangle. Now the length of the triangle, the width, every side will be of 11 centimeter, and you may feel it has been rotated, little bit rotated. So I'll repeat the process for 12 times, because I have taken the 12 centimeters line. So every time I am decreasing it by 1 centimeter. Same sides, from top point to bottom 1 centimeter, from left point to right, and from bottom to top 1 centimeter. Then again I will join this three newly constructed points. See, I have created a new triangle and it has been rotated now. Again I'll repeat the process. I'll repeat the process until and unless I get the triangle of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Repeat. Here what I am doing, I am using, once I am using blue pen, once I am using pink pen, or you may use black pen as what you like, or you even may use pencil, no matter at all. And after that you may shade this, you may color this, you may leave this as it is, it's up to you. Now you can see the impact, it start coming, you can see the spiral in the triangle. See, spiral, this you can see the impact. So this is all about the opart designs, friends, and these are very interesting to create it. Achha, one more triangle has been left, let me just complete this. And it will be the last. So we'll just create the last one also. And once it's been created, so it will look like a complete spiral, you can see in the spiral image. So this is all about the opart designs, friends, and though there may be some more opart designs or lots of designs are there, it's not possible to cover it in one video. And if you will request, I'll create some new designs or more designs, and will create a new video. But in my agenda, the next video will be of mandala art, which will be looking in this series next time. Till then, bye bye, and thank you for watching this time, friends. Thank you very much.